Mark.
Cup your hand.
Well, you
All right, we're good.
Okay. Hi everyone, I'm Jason, and I'm here at Helios Gear Products in South Elgin. And I don't know how many times I've stood in front of a hobbing machine and have thought, what else can we hob? What else can we run through one of these? So here today, we're here to answer the important questions. We're going to do Will It Hob, our first installment, lunch edition. So without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? We're gonna be making a Cobb salad, but since we're hobbing it, came up with the witty idea of calling it a hob salad, huh? Yeah? So first up is a hard-boiled egg. Let's go. It's not running.
Oh no!
It's a good thing we've got one more. Oh, look at it go. Looks delicious. Every good salad needs a little bit of protein, and we're making sure that that happens here. Sadly, I think we can say it did not hob. Every good salad needs corn, so let's try corn on the cob.
South of the border.
Yeah, absolutely. You see Troy's got all of our dimensions and number of teeth pre-calculated because we take this very seriously. Precision is key. It's probably questioning all of its life choices at this point. I know I am. What are we feeding at, Troy?
200,000.
200,000 per rev. In a lot of materials, that might be a bit aggressive.
Softer material, so
Yeah, it
it's
is.
a
A
little faster.
little freer cutting.
We do have a carbine hop.
Oh, we're running carbide. That's important to know.
When you do hop salads, do you always run dry?
Unless
Unless
we're running some sort of a dressing through the coolant line.
ranch coolant system?
Yeah, I mean, here in the Midwest, that would make sense.
Good. Okay.
Go ahead. Whoa, I think we can say that the Cobb did hob. Look at that. This would run really well in any powertrain setup, no doubt about it. This is a yes. It did hob. All right, up next, what do you say? Cucumber. I love cucumber in salads. Do you love cucumber in salads, Adam?
Absolutely.
All right. I have high hopes for the cucumber. I see teeth. Oh yeah, that is spectacular.
Okay.
Let's have a look-see. It's a little slimy. Look at that. Jennifer, would you put this on your salad?
Probably not.
Where's your sense of adventure? That is spectacular. That is a 20-tooth, 14 DP, 20-degree pressure angle cucumber gear. You're welcome. This is a perfectly beautiful tomato.
That's it.
That's as far as it'll go.
Go.
Oh, we split it.
It's split.
This is our first like fail right out of the gate. How sad. I think it's fair to say the tomato did not hob. It didn't even make it. I like avocado on a salad. Do you like avocado on a salad?
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? And it doesn't even cost you extra here. All right? Yes. Wait! Oh no! So then is it turning into guacamole on the inside of the rind? Oh. Sadly, it did not work. I think avocado is a fail.
Did not hob.
It did not hob. I like bread with my salad. Let's try the bread, shall we? And we're good. Right there. Oh no.
Good on second gear quality.
Oh no. I think we talk about this in gear school.
Oh yeah. This is, you do not want to. Got so much screw tip.
It started.
It did hob and then it didn't hob. So
I'm a glass half full kind of guy.
yeah, I'd give it a C.
I think it hopped.
Yeah, it did hob. It did hob. It hobbed. No good salad is a salad without lettuce. So let's try lettuce. We're gonna find out the max head of lettuce swing diameter really soon here. That is beautiful, the contrast of the green lettuce. Indeed, and if your kitchen needs one, contact me at Helios Gear Products. So sadly, I think we're gonna have to say that the lettuce was not going to cut it. The last thing we have, yeah, need some protein on the salad. Will it hob? As much as I want to, I think we're gonna not waste the chicken.
What about a drumstick?
Nope. Chicken will not hob and 90% of it is still there. We will not put it to waste. So I think we've answered some really important questions today. Cucumber, perfect candidate. Corn on the cob, spectacular. Bread held a lot of promise. But the rest of it, the lettuce, disappointing. The tomato, really tomato? Come on, do better. And I think we might be onto something with an automatic guacamole machine, but the avocado sadly did not hob. So there you have it. This is really gonna help me sleep better tonight. Because now I know, will it hob? Yeah, somewhat. Thanks for joining us today for our first installment of Will It Hob? Thank you.